Introducing the Victory Cargo Van, designed to revolutionize your business operations. Measuring 2.20 meters in length, 1.3 meters in width, and 1.3 meters in height, this compact yet spacious van is perfect for navigating tight city streets and delivering your goods efficiently. The Victory Cargo Van comes equipped with state-of-the-art features to enhance your driving experience. Enjoy the convenience of traction control, auto steering control, and dual airbags for safety. Enjoy the centralized air conditioning, a state-of-the-art LCD touchscreen, and power windows, all at your fingertips. But what truly sets the Victory 2-seater cargo van apart is its impressive cargo space. Perfect for all your business needs, whether you're in technical services, general trading, laundry services, restaurants, or foodstuff companies. From delivering essential supplies to transporting goods, the Victory Van is your reliable partner in efficiency and productivity.
Victory, the smart choice for your business.